Hello everyone, welcome to BabylonJS course. This course is targeted to front-end developers or to those who has some knowledge of front-end technologies. Note that this course is designed for beginners who has either zero or limited knowledge of BabylonJS. If you are already expert in BabylonJS, then this course is not for you. You can take this course to brush up your BabylonJS concept. Okay, so let's start. So, what is BabylonJS? BabylonJS is a JavaScript library or framework to create 3D applications on web. Actually, BabylonJS is a 3D engine to render 3D graphics in web browser. We can use BabylonJS using TypeScript also, but the mandatory thing is that you should be having a strong knowledge of either JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay, uh, so why a front-end developer should care about learning BabylonJS? Before I answer this, let's first discuss what are 3D apps. So when I say 3D apps, the first thing which may have come to your mind are games, right? Or maybe AR, VR, or creating metaverses, as these are trendy things nowadays, right? But 3D apps are not limited to these use cases. I'm sure you might have used lots of application which may be having 3D features, like you may have noticed shopping websites showing 3D models of their products. uh, that product can be sunglasses, furniture, or any other things, right? Where customer comes in, rotate the product in 360 degree to view all side of the products. They can even change the colors of the product, or resize it, or even customize the product as per their needs. uh, okay, so these are some of the features those applications can provide using 3D technologies. Or they can go one level up, like they can let their users try that customized 3D model uh, uh, in the physical world. Like uh, they can let their user try the sunglasses on their face, or let put the 3D model of the chair in their room to see how it looks in their room, right? So these are the use cases in the shopping website, right? Another example of 3D applications are digital twins. So what are digital twins? So digital twin is a replica of a physical real world. For example, uh, we can create a digital twin of office building to track employee movement, updating uh, updating digital twin when employee leaves desk or building, etc. Or or we can create a digital twin of a factory where it shows how machines are working and display data collected from sensors. Another use case of 3D apps are building simulations, like building simulator for aviation industry to train pilots. Other things which we can create using BabylonJS are creating similar softwares like Blender or CAD. So you can see there are a lot of areas and industries where 3D technologies are being used. But till now, or few years back, most of the complex 3D applications were mostly desktop applications, because web technologies and browsers had limited 3D capabilities. But with libraries like 3JS and BabylonJS, now it's possible to create 3D apps on web. Today, as there is a growing demand of companies adding 3D features in their applications, some are building digital twins, some are creating metaverses, etc. Knowing BabylonJS can serve as a great tool to have in your front-end toolbox, right? So now you may be wondering what are the things you should be knowing before you start this course, right? So there are two mandatory things before we proceed with the course. First is front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript or TypeScript. Second is mathematics concept like algebra, geometry and trigonometry. So that's for the today's lecture. See you later.